playing something.
What's up guys, Joey here, Tech, and in today's video we're going to be checking out the new Canon EOS 200D Mark II. So this is the successor to 2017's original 200D, which is an entry-level DSLR. What's new about the Mark II is that we have a new Digic 8 image processor and we have the ability now to record in 4K for video. So without further ado, let's take it out of the box. Alright, so as usual with any Canon DSLR, you get the strap first and your user manual. Below that, you have your camera itself. Oh cool! Our 200D Mark II is white. I've never owned a white DSLR before. I've never held one before actually, but yeah. I'm not that into it. I prefer black cameras, but you know, maybe once you go white, you'll never go. That's not the right. Yeah. This unit here does come with a kit lens, an 18-55, and whoa, it's silver. It's silver to match the white camera, though the lens cap is still black, the body cap is still black, even the eye cup is still black. I mean, it would have been a nicer touch, I think, for a white variations of these things. Anyway, so moving on, we have the charger and power cable for our, this is an LPE17 battery over here. So it's 1040 milliamp hours. Let's see if it has any charge. It does have some charge. Alright, so for a quick hands-on of the 200D Mark II, so you get a flip screen on the back. The classic Canon flip screen. It's actually a really light camera, so this would be a good option for vlogging, of course, because you get the flip screen and a microphone input on the side, as long as your remote trigger input. And because you have a mic input, you can put like a Rode video mic on top or something. No headphone jack, unfortunately. On the other side, standard, you have your micro USB input for data transfer and a mini HDMI out for your monitoring. So on the top over here, you have one dial, which is used for shutter speed. You have your shutter, ISO button rather, display button. You have your different modes here. And integrated into the power button, you also have the video mode. Right, so it's asking me to attach a lens, so we might as well do that. Let's start with the kit lens over here. Alright, so white DSLR with the silver lens, that's what it looks like. The SD card slot, by the way, is on the bottom. It's not on the side like you would expect with, or at least I wouldn't expect because of the DSLRs I'm used to using. The SD card slot is on the side. So like I said earlier, one of the things I like about this thing is it's really, really light, even with the standard kit lens attached. So I can imagine just taking this out for a vlog. But what I'm really curious about, of course, which is being the highlight of this product, is that 4K video recording. There we go. So in the settings, go here to movie recording size, and there it is, 4K at 23.98 FPS. Let's go. Oh my god. I was reading this earlier on the website. So aside from this being a CMOS sensor, so it's not a full frame sensor, it's a cropped sensor, moving to the 4K mode gives you an additional 2.56 times crop. So like, my god. We're only at 18 millimeters, but this looks like it's more like 35 or 50. It's also touchscreen. Alright, so that was our quick unboxing and quick look and quick 4K video test of the Canon EOS 200D Mark II. If you guys want to see a full in-depth review for this entry-level DSLR, let me know in the comments down below. And if you enjoyed this video, please do drop a like, subscribe to our channel for more content, hit that bell icon so you don't miss any future uploads, and be sure to visit UGTech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. This has been Joey, and I'll see y'all in the next one.